responding to the call for help.
Andrew and Wendy, we are watching the heartbreaking scenes and cannot imagine the struggles there. But several people here in our region who grew up in Nepal know the reality too well, and they're working every day to help. These images of the earthquake victims are so widespread, it can crush your spirit.
That's the place I grew up in, and to see a whole city in ruins like that, I don't have words for that.
It is so very painful for UPMC Mercy Hospital doctor and Nepal native Dipesh Bista. He and his friends at the Pittsburgh Nepalese Association reached out to Brothers Brother Foundation, which welcomes the teamwork.
There are literally hundreds of thousands of people who are homeless, lots of people who are without food, lots of people without water, lots of people who are living in the foreseeable future under the stars and hopefully before the rains come under tents.
In addition to tents, food and water, Dr. Bista and his friends are gathering medicine and medical supplies for the people who lost everything. And even though Dr. Bista's family was spared in the earthquake, the concern is great.
They're all worried. They're worried about what's going to happen next. They're worried about the health situation that's going to come up after all this damage to the infrastructure.
We'd like to have a moment of silence.
Like yesterday's vigil in Market Square, Bista continues the call.
Come forward and give your love and support, prayers and donations. Both. We need both.
He's counting on Pittsburgh in a big way. Dr. Bista tells us there will be more projects to support the people in his native country in the coming days and weeks ahead, and hopes the people in his adopted home continue to keep the victims in their thoughts and actions moving forward. Mike Clark, Pittsburgh's Action News 4.